Welcome to the Texaw channel. Today, we will explore the world of brave lumberjacks and their highly skilled work. Get ready to witness professional wood-cutting techniques and learn valuable safety tips. Let's get started. With a weight of thousands of tons and a challenging position, he chose the best approach to ensure his safety and complete the job well. It was a recipe for disaster. It was time someone stepped in due to their massive size and dangerous location. The worker had to stay alert and maintain sharp observation skills. Always ensure safety by wearing protective gear. Luckily, he was running fast, otherwise disaster would have happened. What a precise path. Dodged a little bit, luckily one fell into the house. Oh, the tree has rotted all over the outside, causing difficulties for the lumberjack. For trees that have been eaten by insects for a long time, they need to be carefully removed to avoid causing danger to the surrounding area. I wonder, how can we wrestle with these giants? This video will answer that question for you, like a battle between man and nature, a small man and his giant friend. Luckily, he defeated this monster. Difficult cutting position and dangerous cutting line. It was thrilling to watch him do the job till the last moment. Perfection is essential when doing this job. Judging the weight, size, and height of the tree made the job easy and safe. Look at these two guys trying to figure out how to take down the giant tree. Guess how long it took to take down the tree? He coordinated well and finally took it down in a short time. The crack as the tree began to explode gave me goosebumps. It sounded like thunder echoing everywhere. It is an amazing feat to cut down a giant tree that has lived for many years. It is not a small task. Can you guess how long it took him to cut down this huge tree? Leave a comment below and watch the video with us. It is truly satisfying to witness the felling of a large tree. They are so large that it's difficult to know exactly where to start. To ensure safety, it requires skill and knowledge to do it properly. Alluring beauty combined with powerful work gives a unique charm, is definitely one of the biggest dangers out there. It serves as a reminder to not only pay attention to the branches and treetops, but also other potential dangers.
Could be so efficient and beautiful. This 2-in-1 method takes tree felling to the next level. That guy is a little tool with big power. Every successful tree felling job starts with a solid plan, and he does his job well.
There is a real art to felling trees that is more than just brute force. It is about understanding the wood grain, the wind, and the terrain. The logger's cuts are like the strokes of an artist creating his masterpiece. Precision and control is next level, perfect to avoid any rolling or bouncing. This is truly a masterclass in tree felling. This is a perfect example of why tree felling requires professional planning. Everything happens so fast. Cutting a pine tree with a chainsaw is both an art and a science. I can't believe they cut down such a huge tree with just a tiny saw. He tried every way to cut the tree into pieces, using a hammer to make it release, then using a saw to cut the remaining parts. Finally, he brought it. Killing two birds with one stone looks easy, but I know it's a very difficult job. This guy knows what he's doing, knows how to wedge in the right place, swings the hammer hard a few times, and that giant is going down exactly where he aimed at expert level. Protective gear is essential when working. I admire the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but it is incredibly difficult and dangerous work. Hats off to those brave and tough enough to keep the lumber moving. The extraordinary warrior with truly amazing superior skills, he cut down a large, long-lived tree in front of his house and hit it in the right direction without it falling on the house. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder. I never realized how fragile the balance of nature is. One tree falls, and the whole forest feels the impact. The way he sawed the big tree, and then used a hammer to hit it out onto the road, shows that he's a very strong person who can saw the big tree into small pieces. I wonder how we can wrestle with these giant monsters. Sometimes not everything goes according to plan. We just have to accept it and fix it. This is the nature of forestry. The combination of skill, luck, and safety is the only thing that really matters. A warrior in the green forest is fighting a giant. Cutting down a giant tree is not as easy as you think. It requires the logger to have knowledge. This skill must be honed and performed with high precision because even a small mistake can lead to unforeseen consequences. beautiful work of chainsaw calm down. I advise tree fellers to follow the rules of tree felling. He is a true professional who dares to conquer a giant monster and take it down easily and professionally. That loud crack sounds like the tree telling its last story before resting. Cutting down a huge tree near the house requires a highly skilled and experienced worker to handle the tree without it falling on the house. Enjoy the show, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. See you next time. Bye, guys.